Namaskar. Thank you to everybody. Today I'm really grateful to our Duagra. As he has already explained, very brief about me. And as you all know, I have worked for many years, especially for the cause of our people, as a student leader, as a human rights activist, and lastly I joined politics. But my belief always is a unity, because I cry for unity for many, many years. You may all remember when I was TSF General Secretary in Tiprasa, 1996, 96 I think most probably. I was a convener, and I called all the leaders, all the regional party leaders, including national party leaders, to 2 days convention in Hamkwraini. Still I remember. That time, 2 days convention, tribal convention in Hamkwraini, Southern North, and all the leaders from different parties had responded. Still I remember Bikarankol, that time is TNB, and TSPP, Dr. Koloi, TUGS, and our Jodis De Burma, even from CPM, Gunamoti Porishot, all attended in a meeting. And TSF is the leading for this convention. I was the General Secretary. There we have a discussion at length, 2 days conference, tribal convention. Even from GMP also some of them attended. Because I believe without unity, we cannot do anything. As we said, united we stand, divided we fall. And since Maharaj is always inviting us to unite together, as Thancha we call. So, first of all, I am really grateful to him for his initiative and for his vision. See, well, we are a small party, IPFT, Motha, or a small party, rural party. What is our aim and object? Our aim and object is to unite together and to fight for the cause. As you all know, we have deprived for many years, 75 years we have deprived. And since 2009, we are raising our voice, the separate statehood demand. It is constitutional demand, as you all know. And we realize now, until unless we unite together, our demand, our aspiration will be not fulfilled. Because regional party and national parties was different, day and night. BJP, Congress, CPM, they are all national party. What is the demand? What is the demand of BJP? They say development. Development, everybody wants development. Now BJP is demanding for CAA, NRC, CAA. But our demand is what? Separate state. Triple and greater triple land. So our source is different. Our demand is different. Our ideology is different. So until unless we come together, our demand, our aspiration will not fulfill. And as a regional party, what is our main activities? To give pressure to the government. We are like NGO, we are like pressure group. We are not political party. Political party is different. BJP, Congress is different. What is their aim and object? They want to become minister. They want to become MLA. This is their ultimate goal. But our goal is different. Our goal is to achieve something. Not individually, but as a group, as a nation. As Maharaj always stated, we want some solution. Without solution, there will be no any compromise. Therefore, since my childhood, I'm working in that line, in that mission. We want some solution, constitutional solution. Therefore, I think our people should be understood. Common people should understand. Because our aspiration, our demand is completely different between National Party and the Regional Party. Now, IPFT, for example, I was General Secretary for IPFT for 6 years. And I'm the founder of IPFT. But I found, after become alliance in the BJP, our activities become slow. Earlier we have a lot of activities, lot of performance. But after becoming with the alliance government with BJP, our activities, our performance become near to zero. This is what I don't satisfy. As a real party, our movement, our activities should continue. We have to give pressure. As I told, we are a pressure group. Without giving pressure, our party cannot exist, cannot go on. But as you know, IPFT party now have no pressure, no voice, no performance, no activities. Why people go behind them? Therefore, my intention is, I want to work together, especially with the Bobagara and our bigger uncle, our Sidam Deborma, all senior leaders there. And as I have a little experience as a minister for 4 years, I try to do something extra. But they are all stumbling block. There are a lot of, problem is there. As you all know, I have put up a lot of issues. Okay, our ultimate goal, our core issue is statehood, the present demand. But beside it, there are some demand. Very small demand, simple demand. This also not fulfilled. See, I am very frankly speaking today. As a tribal welfare department, I tried my best in 4 years, at least to achieve something. For Cockburg Roman script, it's a long demand, long-lasting demand, since 50 years back. I told many times in a cabinet meeting, in the chief minister, this demand is burning issues. The language is burning, this is sensitive issues. So let at least give something, Cockburg Roman script, because it was approved by even many committee. But that thing also cannot do. And I have sent through my office 100 lists to get the new name. Like, for example, Hatai Kotor, Boromar become Hatai Kotor. And now, Atramara become Hatuk Bereng, Gonda Tisalaida. I have given 100 lists. Out of 100, only 3. So, and again, we have passed the bill in our cabinet. The name of the district council will be changed, nomenclature, and we have put TTC, Tiprasa Territorial Council. It's not done. They have promised us that to increase 30 to 50 seats. Even Chief Minister also agreed. In cabinet also we have approved. ADC should be at least, for time being, I'm telling. It is not our ultimate solution, but at least something we got. From 30 to 50 seats. It is given proposal by tribal local department, from my department. And the department should be increased from now around 15, 16 department, will become 43 department, direct funding, all these things we have already sent to central government. It is under consideration. And most importantly, before alliance, we have an agreement, written agreement. The high level committee will be constituted. It was already constituted. 2018, and there is mentioned that within 3 months, this committee report will be placed in the public domain. 4 years pass, 3 years pass, nothing has done. There is no feedback, there is no any improvement. I have asked several times. I met Home Minister, I met Home Secretary, and I tried to pursue what is happening about the committee, high level committee, which is constituted. they have to give a report to us, whether yes or no. There is mentioned that this committee will look after socio-economic and political development of indigenous people of Tripura. Clearly mentioned there. And the committee has came to Tripura twice. We have a meeting also with them. But this is not follow up. I asked many times Chief Minister also. And I told Home Minister, I told Home Secretary regarding this high-level committee, what is happening, whether they exist or not. I have asked the question to them, but they have no reply. So all these things, small thing, is hurting me. Because since I'm the fighters, I don't want to stay like that. I want to do something for the people, for the state, but I cannot do it. Therefore, I think the best way is, in my conscience, I feel the Bubagra is the icon of our state, a royal icon, everybody know him. So through his leadership, I think we can achieve something. Because unity is required among ourselves. Therefore, I always appeal to people, even to my party, IPFT. Several times we have a meeting. I raise this voice. See, being a regional party, we have to do something as a pressure group. If we cannot give the pressure to central government or state government, then our party become meaningless. So today I am really grateful. It's a long I am waiting this right time to join with Motha, and I believe in the days to come, many will follow. I have many contacts, and lot of today there are many leaders has joined with me, and from today onward, I'll go to village, I'll go to division level, district level, and I'll collect all the like-minded organizations who are following me. Today I have some list from Julaibari, Subhash Tripura, his leaders. There are 4 persons joined here. From Biludia, Swarna Singh Tripura is a divisional president, Biludia. Kumar Ghat, Sukicharan Deborma, the secretary of this committee, he's also joined with me, along with 12 persons. And Korong Shora, Baigomonto Jomatia, the IPP leaders, Samunu, Moina Tripura, and Kwai East, Vijay Deborma and his group is my own place, Kwai East Division, all they joined. And from Mandai, Sukumar Deborma is the president of Mandai Division, and his team, all they joined here. So like that, almost all the division of IPFT, we have around 34 divisions in existence. 34 divisions have all existed. Out of that, all divisions, 90% I can say, more than 90% supporters of IPFT have joined now Motha. As we all know, because IPFT is a strong organization, we have a youth wing, we have a student wing, but employee wing, but all employee of IPFT, TNDA, is always joined, we march with the IPFT.